Okay, so share ko sa inyo 'to guys 'no, kung paano natin guys tanggalin guys yung, warning community guideline strike natin guys sa ating, YouTube channel guys. Okay, so sa mga phone user guys 'no, so phone user tayo guys, so ito yung gagamit lang ako dito guys ng phone guys. So wala akong laptop guys, kaya, phone lang yung gamit ko guys. So kapag phone user kayo guys, so sundan lang niyo ako guys. So para makapunta tayo dun guys sa ating, dashboard sa ating YouTube channel, so i-click lang natin ito sa gilid guys 'no. Kung makita niyo 'to guys yung profile natin na ito, 'yan. So click lang natin 'yan guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys 'no. So click tayo diyan. 'Yan. So pag-click natin 'yan guys, may mag-loading 'yan diyan. So makita niyo dito guys yung, YouTube Studio guys. So i-click natin 'to guys 'no para makapasok tayo dito. So click natin guys yung YouTube, Studio. Hold pala natin guys 'no, hindi natin i-click guys. I-click, hold natin mga 5 seconds guys. So tulad dito guys, so 1 2 3 4 5 at lalabas guys yung, open in a new tab guys and group guys. Kasi kapag i-click mo kasi siya guys, magpupunta siya guys sa YouTube Studio application natin guys. So para hindi siya mag-redirect doon guys, kailangan natin guys ng, new tab guys no, in group guys. So click natin guys ang open in new tab and group guys. So click natin 'yan para makapasok tayo guys sa dashboard natin. So pagka-click natin 'yan guys, ay meron ditong dalawang logo guys. So maglipat tayo dito sa kabilang logo na ito guys. Yan. So ilipat natin 'yan. So pagkalipat natin guys, mag-redirect ito siya guys sa, dashboard natin guys no. Hindi doon guys sa YT Studio nating na application guys. Yan. So kung makita niyo guys, nandito na tayo guys sa, channel dashboard natin guys. So kung makita niyo guys, ito yung, channel violation natin. Nagkaroon tayo guys ng warning, active community guideline strikes. Yan. So para matanggal natin to guys or ma-remove natin to guys sa channel dashboard natin guys, itong active community guideline strikes warning na ito guys. So kailangan natin guys mag-take ng training guys no para matanggal ito guys. So pwede nating i-click ito guys yung active community guideline strikes or itong warning na ito guys no. Itong warning. So ngayon guys, click natin, papakita ko sa inyo guys no. Click natin guys yung warning. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys, pupunta tayo dito guys sa community guideline strikes guys. So ito nga guys no, ito yung warning ko guys no. Noong July 2, 2021. So aminado naman ako guys na nagkamali ako guys. So nung ano kasi guys ay baguhan pa lang ako sa YouTube guys no. So hindi ako nagbabasa ng mga, community guidelines ng YouTube, kaya siguro nagkaroon na ako guys ng, warning guys sa aking YouTube channel. So yung parang natatandaan ko kasi guys, yung nagawa kong content na yun guys ay pasok siya guys sa ano guys no, hacking activity, kaya yun, binigyan ako ng community guidelines strike. So buti nga guys, community guidelines warning lang guys no. Paano pa kaya guys kapag nagkaroon tayo guys ng 1 strike? So kapag nagkaroon kasi tayo ng 1 strikes guys, so delikado yun siya guys no. Hanggang 3 lang yan guys, ma-terminate na guys yung YouTube channel natin guys. Okay? So magkaroon kayo ng strike 1 2 3, yun, terminated na guys yung YouTube channel nyo guys. So dapat guys ingatan nyo guys yung YouTube channel nyo guys. So sa akin guys, hindi pinakita na dito guys yung policy ko guys or yung nalabag ko dito guys. Hindi na pinakita guys kasi nga binura ko siya guys. Kasi nga alam ko bawal pala yun siya guys, kaya binura ko na. Kaya hindi na pinakita dito guys yung content ko na ito guys no. Yan. So content available, no description available. So ito yung lumabas kasi guys, kasi nga dinelete ko siya guys no. So sa inyo guys, kapag hindi pa nyo na-delete ay makikita nyo dito guys yung policy nyo guys. Yan. So dito nga sabi nila dito, warning, your content was removed due to violation of our community guidelines. You received a warning. You can take policy training which will remove the warning after 90 days. Yan. So ngayon guys, para makatake tayo ng training guys, ay i-click natin ito guys yung take action na ito guys no. Yan. So click natin guys yung take action na yan. Yan. So wait lang natin guys no. Yan. So review an issue guys. So dito sa review an issue guys, ito guys no. So about ano rin to siya guys no, community guidelines guys. So there was be an issue with your content, something you posted may violate YouTube community guidelines to help keep community safe, remove your channel receive a warning guys. You can training to dismiss the warning, appeal and decision or do not. So kayo lang magbasa-basa dito guys, no? So kailangan natin guys maka-take guys ng training para ma-dismiss nila guys yung warning sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So ito yung mga impact guys sa ating content kung sakali guys magkaroon tayo ng warning. Yan. So remove. So hindi rin tayo ineligible sa monetization. At ito sa channel natin dito warning. This is just a warning. If it happens again, your channel will get strike. You won't be able. Yan. So yun nga guys, no? So para ma-dismiss guys yung warning natin sa channel dashboard natin guys, i-click natin ito guys yung begin review guys. Yan, so click natin yung begin review. Yan, so wait lang natin guys, no? Yan, so dito naman tayo guys sa look at your content guys. Take a look at your content keeping policies in mind. So basahin lang nyo to guys yung ito yung policy na ito guys, no? So ito ata yung ano ko guys, ito guys yung yung nalabag ko guys, no? Sa content ko guys, yung natandaan ko guys, ito yung nalabag ko guys, harmful or dangerous content. So yun yung natandaan ko guys na nagkaroon na ako guys ng active community guideline strike sa aking YouTube channel. So syempre guys, hindi natin maiwasan guys yung content natin guys ay video tutorial. So nagtuturo tayo guys. So hindi ko alam guys na bawal pala yun siya guys. So ito guys yung policy nila, basahin natin ito guys, no? Basahin lang natin to guys. Yan. Content that promotes illegal activities is not allowed on YouTube. So hindi nga pinapayagan guys ni YouTube guys yung mga illegal activities guys. So katulad ng ginawa ko guys. So nag-share ako ng about hacking. So bawal pala yun siya guys. Yung mga nagpo-promote guys, no? Mga content na nagpo-promote ng illegal activities. So ipinagbabawal ni YouTube talaga guys. Guys, no? This includes instruction on how to gain authorized access to secure system via hacking. So yan siya guys, no? Bawal nga talaga guys. Yan. So we also do not allow links to this violate content. So hindi nila pinapayagan yung mga link guys, no? Yan. So ngayon guys, kailangan na natin guys mag-take guys ng training guys para mawala guys yung active community guideline strike sa ating YouTube channel guys. Okay? So click na natin to guys yung next na ito. So kayo na bala dito guys magbasa guys ng policy guys, no? So baka magaba kasi yung video tutorial natin guys, kaya click na natin guys yung next guys. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng next guys, so makikita natin dito guys what do you want to do. Yan, so basahin natin dito guys. So zoom natin guys, no? Yan. Take a policy training. Your warning will expire in 90 days. To keep our community safe, your content will not be able back on YouTube. Yan. So dito guys, kung paano gumagana to, complete a short training, 7 question. So meron silang 7 question guys, no? So parang mag-exam tayo nito guys. So sana hindi tayo mabagsak guys, no? So if you violate this policy against within 90 days, you'll get a strike. If you violate a different policy, you'll get a warning. You can still decide to appeal later. So sabi nila dito guys, kapag na-violate natin ulit guys ang policy ni YouTube within 90 days, ay magkakaroon tayo ng strike sa ating YouTube channel. Pero kapag naka-violate naman tayo within 90 days din, pero sa magkaibang policy naman, makakakuha tayo ulit guys ng warning guys sa ating YouTube channel guys. Okay? So kailangan natin guys mag-take a training guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-take a training guys. So click natin guys yung take a training. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng take a training guys, so ito na guys, no, policy training guys. So basa-basahin lang niyo to guys, mga harmful or dangerous guys, no? Yan. Mga digital security guys. So ngayon guys, i-click na natin guys yung next guys, no? Kayo na bala magbasa-basa dyan guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung take a training natin. So click natin guys yung next. Yan, so meron ditong question guys, no? Question number 1 na ito guys. Kung makita nyo guys, ito guys. Yan. So dito guys, meron tayong review 1 dito guys, no. Pwede nating i-review guys. Yung about sa digital security guys, no. Ito guys, no. Yan, so basahin natin ito guys. Basahin natin ito. Yung review natin na ito. Tapos sasagutan natin ito guys, yung question number 1 na ito guys. Yan, so mag-review muna tayo guys, no. Try natin. Content that encourage harmful and illegal activities is not allowed on YouTube. This behavior include hacking and bypassing payment or digital content. Yan, so basahin daw natin guys yung question number 1. Mona Leo posts a video complaining about age restriction on YouTube content. She said she found a website where you can view all age restricted content on YouTube without being logged in and show people how to access that website. I take yes guys, no. So try natin guys, no. Try natin guys. I take in this this is a violation. So try natin guys. I take yes guys, no. Yan, so click natin guys yung check kapag magsagot tayo. So click lang natin yung check na yan guys. Ito guys, yung check na ito. Yan, so click natin, try natin check. Try natin kung mali tayo guys. Yan, so that's correct daw guys, no. So sabi nga nila dito, we don't allow content that encourage other to violate our terms of service. This includes instruction on how to bypass age restriction. So hindi nila pinapayagan guys yung mga ganong content guys, no. So tama tayo guys. Next question tayo guys. Click natin guys yung next na yan. So meron naman tayong review 1 dito guys, no. In case na wala tayong masagot guys, pwede nating tignan ito guys, no. Yung review yung policy information na ito guys. So next na tayo guys sa step 2 guys. Question naman dito guys. About naman ito guys sa harmful or illegal activities guys, no. So basahin muna natin guys yung reviewer natin. Content that encourage dangerous or illegal activities that risk serious physical harm or death is not allowed on YouTube. Content that encourage other harmful or illegal behaviors also is not allowed. So basahin nyo to guys. Pwede nyo i-post guys yung video natin, tapos basahin nyo ito guys. Yan, so mas mahaba kasi siya guys, no. Baka magtagal kasi guys yung video natin guys. So direct na tayo guys sa question guys. Basta tignan nyo guys yung reviewer nyo guys para magtama tayo guys sa sagot dito. So Sam posts a video where he talks about how to get through final exam and assignment for school, including some tips and best practices. He links to website where you can pay someone write an essay for you. He say this is a fast way to finish final exam papers with less effort. Tips and practice. So shinare guys sa website guys, no. I think yes guys, no. This is a violation guys. Try natin guys, no. Yes. Hindi rin ako sure guys, no. I think yes. I think yes siya guys. Click natin guys yung check. Oh, that's correct guys, no. So correct tayo guys. So that's correct. While providing tips and best practices on academic topics is not violative, we don't allow content that offer academic cheating services. So hindi nila ginalaw guys yung mga cheating services guys, no. Yan. So next na tayo guys. Basta guys, dito lang kayo magtingin guys, no. Para hindi tayo guys magkamali guys. So click lang natin guys yung next. So sana makapasa tayo dito guys, no, sa ating training guys. So ito naman guys. A gaming channel uploads an information video about how logins to a popular video game and stolen. Demonstrate how to fake landing page to collect logging details for video game accounts from unsuspected users guys. So about ano naman to siya guys, digital security guys, no. So mag-review tayo dito guys. Content that encourage harmful or illegal activities is not allowed on YouTube. This behavior include hacking and bypassing payment for digital content or services. So about digital security guys, balik tayo guys sa question dun. Link channel information. So tinuro niya guys. So siya yung host guys, nag-demonstrate siya kung paano mag-create ng fake landing page to collect logging details. So parang phishing siya guys, no? So I think guys, yes guys, no? This is a violation guys. Yes guys, no? Try natin yes guys. Click natin check. Click natin check guys, no? Yun. So tama tayo guys. Tama naman tayo guys. Sabi dito, that's correct. Even though this video has educational context that contains your instruction on how to collect login data. So bawal yun siya guys, no? Yung mag-collect tayo guys ng login data guys ng iba guys. Yan. So next naman tayo dito guys sa question number 4 guys. So click lang natin guys yung next sa baba. Ito guys, no? Click natin yung next. Question number 4 naman tayo guys. Yan, so basahin naman natin guys. About digital security pa rin siya guys, no? So alam na natin yan guys about sa digital security. So question nila dito, Olga uploads a tutorial about a website that let you bypass a login and access a popular movie streaming services for free. She show how she signed up and proves that it works by playing a clip of her favorite show. Normally, you have to pay watch the streaming services, but using this method, you do not have pay. So nagkaroon siya guys ng ano guys, no, bypass. So pagkaalam ko guys, ito guys ay violation guys, no. So nagkaroon kasi dito guys ng bypass guys, no. So I take yes it is. So click natin guys yung yes. Tapos click natin guys yung check. Pagkakalam ko kasi guys, violation yun siya guys, no, kapag nagba-bypass tayo guys. Click natin check, try natin. Yan. So that's correct guys, no. We don't allow instruction on how to gain unauthorized access to streaming services that normally require payment. So yun nga guys, no. So hindi nila ina-allow guys yung mga ganitong instruction guys. So next naman tayo guys sa dito guys, next tayo dito. So click natin guys, question number 5 na tayo. So sana makapasa tayo dito guys. So about naman ito guys sa weapon guys, no. About sa weapon. So basahin natin, mag-review muna tayo guys. YouTube does not allow content that encourage dangerous or illegal activities that risk serious physical harm or death. So medyo mahaba-aba to guys, no. Kayo na lang bahala guys magbasa nito guys, no. So mahaba-aba to guys. So focus lang tayo dito guys. Focus kayo dyan guys sa reviewer natin. Tapos answeran natin nito guys yung question nila. Andre has a YouTube channel that's dedicated to do it yourself DIY experiment. He upload a video showing how to make a homemade pipe bomb using supplies. After putting together the pipe bomb, he tests in field at a safe distance wearing goggles and earplugs. He upload showing how to make pipe bomb using supply after putting together. So I think guys, violation to siya guys, no. Kasi nga dito guys, dangerous guys yung mga illegal activities guys na pwedeng magdulot sa atin guys ng physical injury guys. So sana tama guys, no. So pagkaalam mo guys, yes guys. Kasi pasok siya guys sa guys, no. Pasok siya guys sa physical injury guys. Bala na guys, no. Click natin guys yung check. Yun. That's right, we do not allow content showing viewer how to make pipe bomb. So bawal talaga yan guys, no? Kasi nga guys, pwede siyang magdulot guys ng physical injury guys, or harm or death guys sa ating viewers guys. Okay? So question number 6 na tayo guys. So magbasa-basa lang kayo guys ng ano guys, no? Ng reviewer natin guys. So click lang natin guys yung next. Next na ito guys, yung next na ito. Sa gilid, click natin yung next guys. So dito na tayo guys. About naman ito guys sa policy information about sa digital security guys, no. So pag mga digital security, alam ko to guys. So content that encourage harmful and illegal behaviors is not allowed on YouTube. These behaviors include hacking and bypassing payment for digital content or services. So bawal nga talaga guys, no, yung mga hacking, bypassing payment for digital content. Yan. So dito try natin basahin ito guys. Parang mahirap ito guys ansiran. Pero try natin guys. So sabi nila, John is a gaming blogger. He posts a video in which he talks about how the gaming industry is enforcing laws against illegal game downloads. He explained that every time companies try to enforce laws, people come up with new ways to download the games for free. He showed an example sharing the URL for a website where viewers can download popular video game for free and demonstrating how easy it is to download it. Demonstrating how easy it is to download. So pinakita niya guys, he show an example sharing the URL. Pinakita niya guys yung URL. He explained every enforcing law illegal game downloads. So I think guys, violation to siya guys. Nagkaroon siya kasi guys ng ano guys, no, nakalagay dito illegal game download. So bawal yun siya guys, no, bawal yun siya guys. So I think guys, ito yung guys yung tama guys. Ito guys yung this is a violation because it show instruction for how to use website to gain unauthorized access to full video game that normally requires payment. Yan. So bawal yun siya guys, no. So meron siyang require payments tapos nagkaroon ata dito guys ng parang bypass. Ganon. So ito yung pipiliin ko guys. Ito yung mabang answer nito guys. Yan. Tapos click lang natin guys yung next na ito. Yung check na ito guys. Itong check. So sana guys tama tayo guys, no. So bala na kahit magmali tayo guys. Try natin guys. Yun. So that's correct guys, no. Showing viewers how to use app, website or other information technology to gain unauthorized. So bawal nga talaga yun guys, no. Lalo na requires yung payment guys. Tapos tinuro mo guys. Yun. So ganun lang kadali guys kung paano guys mag-take guys ng training dito guys. So question, so tama tayo lahat guys. Wala tayong mali guys. So I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin. So kapag okay na yun siya guys, i-click natin guys yung next na ito. So click natin yung next na yan. Ay meron pa pala guys question. Meron pa pala dito guys question guys, no. Last question na pala ito guys. Hanggang 7 question pala. So about digital security pa rin to guys. Fatima is an exercise blogger. She tells her viewers she wants to make sure they can use her exercise anytime. Where Fatima show them how to use a website she found that helps viewers download YouTube videos. Downloading YouTube content against the terms of services unless express authorized with prior permission from YouTube. Fatima discourages people from downloading other creators' content but say she gives her subscriber permission to download her from the platform. So parang hindi ko alam to guys. So meron siya ditong tatlo. Pwede rin siyang no, this is not a violation because she explained how to download her own content. Sign natin guys ulit guys. So reviewin natin guys. Computer Fatima, exercise blogger, she tells her viewers she wants to make sure they can use her exercise anytime, anywhere. Fatima showed them how to use a website. So hindi ko lang sure guys, no? So try kaya natin guys yung yes guys. Maglipat kaya tayo sa yes. So bala na dyan guys, kahit mali guys, no? Try natin guys, check. Yun, tama tayo guys. That's right. Buti guys, pinalit natin guys yung yes guys, no? That's right. We don't allow content that encourage other to violate YouTube terms of services. Si YouTube kasi yung kontrolado dito guys, no? Hindi si yung yung host guys. Services that include instruction on downloading YouTube content from any creator. So yan siya guys, no? So tama tayo guys. Out of 7 guys. So perfect natin guys yung question guys, no? Yan. So dito lang tayo magbase guys, no? Ulit-ulitin lang nyo guys. Basahin nyo ng maigi guys. Intindihin nyo guys. Tapos mag-review kayo dito guys sa policy information na ito guys. Para lahat guys matama nyo guys yung sagot guys, no? So ganun lang guys, no? Intindihin lang natin. Basahin natin ng mabuti. At basahin rin natin yung question guys, no? So intindihin lang natin guys. So ganun lang kadali guys kung paano mag-take guys ng training dito guys, no? So kayo guys, pwede yung bawat natin na clip na ito guys, pwede nyong kuhaan guys ng idea guys, no? Yan. So click natin guys yung next guys. Click natin yung next. Yan. So dito sabihin nila dito guys, nice work, you've completed the training. We appreciate you taking the time to help us keep YouTube safe. Check out our community guidelines anytime you're unsure about posting content. So sabi nga nila dito guys, no, what's next? So sabi nila dito, your warning will expire on October 20, 2024. If you violate the harmful or dangerous policy against before the warning expire, you'll get a strike. So magkaroon daw tayo ulit guys ng strikes kung sakali guys, if you violate different policy. So yun guys, no, opportunity to take training guys. Yan. So yung warning natin guys, mag-expire siya guys, no, sa October 20, 2024 guys. Yan. So matatanggal na guys yung community guidelines strike sa ating dashboard guys, or yung warning guys, no. So ganun lang kadali guys, no, kung paano mag-take ng training guys dito guys sa policy training guys dito guys sa ating nakuha guys na warning sa ating dashboard guys, no. Yan. So i-click lang natin ito guys yung close training na ito guys. Yan. So ganun lang guys, no, hanggang dito lang tayo guys. I hope guys na matulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin guys. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel guys, no, huwag natin kalimutang i-click yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.